All right,
Is this
thank
good?
you, Mr. Schmidt, for coming. My question is, what is the worst case regarding climate change? Is there anything people can do about climate change based on losing the Earth?
Worst case scenario?
Yes.
I, I'm just more worried about the writing that's on the wall, and just knowing a fair amount about it and teaching a class on it. I just worry about sort of the trajectory that we're on right now.
Yes.
Just as far as sort of this tipping point, but really to the point of no return.
Yeah.
And I worry about the planet, the health of the planet for future generations.
Makes sense.
Yep.
And maybe a follow-up is, what if it keeps going at this rate, is there like a certain trajectory on like how bad this Earth is going to become, or is there a certain
Yeah,
rate?
I mean, I think humans as a species are pretty resilient, so there'll always be folks that survive. Some of it, I think, is going to be a case of the haves and the have-nots.
Yeah.
And I think we'll start to see a lot more conflict over resources, water, soil, food. But that said, I think there is hope in that. There is the planet itself is pretty resilient. You know, there'll always be something alive on this planet,
Yeah.
whether it's humans
Us
or
or
beetles. I think there is in theory still time to
make change.
to make change. Carbon dioxide concentrations, alternative energy or alternative fuel sources. So there is hope. A lot of it has to come from grassroots, but a lot of it has to come from the top. And the top, whether it's our current administration or just nations in general, China, the United States, other industrialized nations just have to toe the line, and we're not doing that.